I am the one. This is an squish charger, and this is super mythic. No, this is secret, and gotta hide it into your like this. Okay, like this, because all of the people here is they're fighting because they want that.
Go down.
And this squishy needle invisible.
Wag ka na manonood. No na.
Accept. Thank you. Let's go.
Lumipat na.
We have the same room because this is twins. Look at this. I am so rich, and I found it. I just gonna steal one squishy bracelet. And so rich. Hey, what are you doing? You catch us. Wait. I'm sorry. Here. The same room, but it's not this, the real. Okay. Next episode. So. There's my fidgets. I'm so sorry, guys.